Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to bulk modify issues in Jira. So let's start. So once you move to your project in Jira, the first step you will have to do is go to issues section and filter the issues which you want based on the criteria. And you will find a three dot button here on the right hand side. When you click on that, you'll get a bulk change option. So clicking on that will take you to a screen like this. And this is the screen where you will be doing the bulk change. So the first thing you'll have to select is all the issues which you want to modify and then choose your operation. That's the next activity. So once you're on the screen, it's up to you to select what action do you want to make in bulk. There's several options here. In this example, I'm going to show you how to change the priority of selected issues. I'll click on edit issues, which will help me, or it will take me to the next screen where I can change the priority here as well. There's an option here to change the priority here, and I will change it to highest. Like you see, there are several actions which you can perform. Changing priority is just an example which I'm giving you. All you have to do that after that is click on next and acknowledge that you want to change all these. That's a confirmation part. So once you confirm, the priority or the bulk modification will be completed in span of few seconds. And that's how we change or we modify bulk issues in Jira. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something in this video.